Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. If anyone is watching. Is there any news today? Looks like we got retail sales, which doesn't usually make that much of a difference. And that's it for our session.
Office.
Hello, hello. Good
Yo,
morning.
morning.
What are you saying, bro?
Not bad. GJ hit take profit.
Has it?
Lovely stuff. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
240 pips. Done.
Jeez. Is that on the
Took a small
Discord,
L
I'm
on
guessing?
GA though. Yeah.
I'll show it on
Took a
screen
small L
now.
on GA though. 1% loss.
Was this yesterday's one?
Yeah, unfortunately, it did exactly what I thought it would do. Like, hold on. Um,
Here we go. If anyone's watching, look, we had this GAL here, which Mark is about to show. But
here you go. So
GJ, amazing. Look at this trade here.
GJ trade right here. So
Found it.
you can see how we move our, stop loss accordingly. Um, yeah, just above these highs. If I didn't close fully, I probably would have moved a bit lower here, but I did close fully because I do expect some sort of retracement first. And you know what, we could enter in the next retracement anyways. But yeah, overall, I'll keep that there for a breakdown.
Oh, is
Okay,
that every time you move, you stop loss? Right.
yeah.
Got you.
GA. So unfortunately, we took a small L on GA because we had a break of structure. To be honest, it was quite a lot of FOMO. I can't lie. So we had a break of structure over here. Stop loss is above this level, and then obviously target is all the way down here, right? So decent little trade. It wasn't even worth the risk in my opinion, but I still took it. And you can see that we were in profit for quite a bit, like 7, 9, 10 pips, and it completely reversed on us.
Right. I
You
didn't
could,
know you were in that trade. You were
no,
talking
no, I
about it
was,
yesterday, saying you were in
yeah,
that was a fake out.
yeah. It's really unfortunate. But what's it called? We got exactly what we're expecting, anyways. As you can see, we had a retracement over here and a continuation down.
Yeah.
So it sucks because like you planned everything and then it works out quite well.
It's tricky. You
And
rushed
because the
into it.
market gave you an opportunity early on,
Yeah.
you took that one, and then obviously that opportunity became turned into a fake out. It was exactly how I expected it to happen as well. I expected a retracement up, kind of create equal lows over here, and then the next move up kind of takes out these highs, generate liquidity, and continue back down. Unfortunately, I would say that we wouldn't have entered this trade anyways because it's 12 o'clock. But yeah, we probably could have just prevented a 1R loss here and had a perfect day, a perfect week this week. But it is what it is. Like things happen, so we'll just move on to the next one next week.
That's it. On to the next.
Decent 7R week, bro. Well, 6 now.
That's good. That's amazing.
Am I winning the competition?
Oh, for this week, this month, yeah, you are. Don't worry, we got time. We got
We got time. We got time.
Don't worry.
All right. All
The
right.
redemption
Brother.
arc. The redemption arc is coming.
You got back-to-back 100 views though.
Really, on both of them.
Yeah, back-to-back.
Should I tell you something? I posted them basically right after one another, and I wasn't sure if
Yeah.
it would fuck up the algorithm.
No, it was fine. It's
So they
fine.
both got 100. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Like I said, bro, 100's the new norm.
It is.
That Wigstone Live podcast was decent as well.
Was it?
It was alright. Like most of it I knew already, but him going more in depth, like you really
Mm.
figured out, like, damn, this guy's been through a decent amount of stuff.
Yeah.
Like he even had to sell his wedding jewelry at one point. That's crazy. Just
You had to what?
sell his wedding jewelry just to pay rent. Or-
Really?
Yeah.
You never have thought that, would you?
I knew he'd been through some stuff. Obviously, like
Mm.
pretty sure I remember him saying some stuff, but not that exactly. And he goes, there were 2 or 3 times where basically he told his parents, okay, I'm going to move out, I'm going to make money, I'm going to support you lot.
Mm.
And then he came back and then he was like, nah, I haven't made anything. I fucked up. Fair play to the guy. That's the biggest podcast right now, isn't it? Set and Forget. Came out of
You
nowhere.
cut out, by the way.
And I was just saying, that podcast came out of nowhere and suddenly they're interviewing everyone. They got all the big names for trading. I don't remember pressing mute. Apparently I pressed mute. I was just saying that podcast basically came out of nowhere, but now it's the biggest.
Yeah. What
trading
did
one.
he tell his parents? So he was like,
Oh yeah, I was
Um,
saying basically he said to his parents, "I'm going to move out, get this new job, doing sales or whatever," or
yeah.
it was something else, and then he went there and then he ended up losing the job, so then he had to come back to his parents and say, like, "I ain't done shit, sorry."
Oh, mad.
After and his parents were already, his dad was already supporting like 5 people by himself. Or,
It's mad.
it's a good podcast though.
Yeah, that's crazy though. You would never have thought that from the success he's made, from the success he's got.
I mean, you would. What do you mean?
You never have thought how like the disadvantages he had in life with the success he had. He's got.
No, but you sort of would. I think I normally think that when I see someone successful, I think they've probably been through some stuff.
Yeah. Guess I get different opinions on it. Like I would say, like most people that had success, yes, they went through tough times, but like not tough times like that. It's like tough times actually just at work, not tough times with family, not tough times with
Oh no, they all do. But everyone, it happens to everyone.
yeah. But as in like, yeah, I don't know.
Family doesn't care if you're rich or poor, bro. Shit's gonna happen, innit?
Yeah, that's true.
GJ. G.
Bitcoin's still continued falling, man.
Mm.
That would be a 5R for Bitcoin if we held it, but we didn't because of that consolidation.
Mm.
It was a good TP. You can see the reaction from it. It's just price wants to continue down.
GU. We're approaching the bottom of this very large bullish leg, all the way from 7th of September.
What's this? GU.
GU. So, are we back? Hold up. Yeah, so I think that was the bullish leg that reached all-time lows. Yeah. That was the bullish leg that reached all-time lows. I remember when we were down here, I said, chances are we're going to retrace upwards, grab some more liquidity before, like, just to fuel this next move downwards. If I change the color of this pen. We were here, this is all-time lows, essentially. But obviously we had all this liquidity waiting up here. We had people who were selling, people who were waiting for GU's bounce back to buy up. So there are probably loads of buy orders just waiting here to be activated. Like even right now, there's probably so many people targeting this whole, double bottom idea, breakup structure, smart money, everyone. So we went up, we grabbed this liquidity from here, we've taken out all the sellers, we've activated a whole bunch of buyers, And as you can see, we just crashed down at like 1 o'clock. So that's around New York Open. I believe this Monday or Tuesday. And now we've come down, we've slowly retraced down towards the bottom of the bullish leg. So from here, I wonder what's going to happen. I think short-term buys will make sense, just trying to scalp a little bounce up, because you're going to have loads of people on your side. There's so many retail traders, so many, even maybe small hedge funds, just assuming that there's going to be a small fight back once we reach this position.
Mhm.
So I think scalping from here could play out well.
Mhm.
But overall longs, it's a dangerous one. Yeah, we've broken structure towards the upside on the lower time frames, but on the higher, we've essentially just reached a premium for the overall leg. If I take this pen out, yeah, it looks like we've pushed up on the lower time frames, but if you visualize the higher, it's going to look something like this. It's just another lower high. So chances are we're going to create a lower low in terms of swinging or scalping. Yeah, that's my thoughts on GU.
GA might fall here. I just need a way to enter this GA reasonably. Look at this. Look at this, like perfect. Like, I personally feel it's perfect analysis. Okay, so we came up. Let's just put this into perspective here. Let me just get my here. Push down. Pushed up. Made equal highs. So leave liquidity up here.
Hang on. You want to show it on screen?
Yeah, sure. We annotate. Where's annotate?
Yeah, go ahead.
Looking for annotate. 1 second. Sorry.
Your camera's not on. If you want it on.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we pushed down, huge leg down. Pushed up. Now we made equal highs. Now we have liquidity up here, right?
Right.
Push back down again, liquidity down here as well. So now we have buy side up here, and we have sell side liquidity down here. And then we do after we pushed up, tip all this liquidity by tapping into it. And look at this. Look how we finished. And now look at how this daily is going. Huge bullish, bearish momentum here.
Mm-hmm.
Expecting this price to continue back down. 1 second. Continue back down to here. At the very least, here. This line right here. At the very least. I do expect it to pierce through that, potentially go to 165, 168,500. But overall, 1.67 is the target here. Plenty of room to go, but we just need a reasonable place to really enter this trade.
Yeah, that looks interesting. For me, in this scenario, I would wait for the break of the candle low. But the reasoning is, if we think about it, the whole week long, what's GA been doing? Slowly pushing up.
Oh,
Just
right.
very slowly pushing up. Like, it hasn't done anything overall, but slowly pushing up. So really, if the week wanted to be bullish, why would it reject this area? Apart
Right.
from the liquidity grab reason,
Yeah.
right? So at this point, if we break that candle low, I would assume, okay, the plan for the end of this week is GA is pushing down. GA wants to finish either a doji or continue, smashing through this week.
Candle low here.
Say that again. I would
Candle low
say,
here.
yeah, that's where they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
I can just about see it. Yeah, because I feel like if it's Friday, it's the end of the week.
Something
Why would it just reverse everything that's happened on Monday unless it was for a solid reason? And it's
Yeah.
the middle of the month. So
That's true.
I agree with your thingy.
I don't want to go for a breakout. I enter on retracements rather than breakouts. I could enter a breakout here, but I prefer to enter another.
I guess there's liquidity there too at those daily
Because,
lows.
yeah, there is. Just
Wow.
need some.
Wow.
How's Kendrick making me listening to? And United in Grief.
GJ blasting down. There was retail sales, which could be
Yes.
causing the speed of this drop down.
equal lows created down here. Definitely liquidity down here. Yeah, fleece buyers trying to buy it from here. You can tell.
How much we pull up? Yeah, GJ's approaching that breakout area, isn't it? We've got a very nice area here. Loads of people are going to be looking to buy now. So, oh, sorry, sell, I mean. We've obviously got these equal lows here. We've pushed past these equal lows here. The last major volume area was this zone here that we pushed past. But, as you can see, we pushed down, retraced upwards, potentially taking out any breakout traders already entered early in Asia session. We bounced off this next area, which was the last major. I wouldn't say it's major. If I zoom in now, you'll see there's a small rise compared to all these other pushes here. Small rise. So I reckon this is the last area that price is fighting back against. But once we push past 163871, change the color. I think once we push past 163871, this last wick here, we're gonna push down for a very long time. I think GJ's it's got loads of orders just waiting to be filled here. Sell stops, buy orders. What's it called? Stop losses for all the buy orders. Maybe buy limits. Everyone's waiting here for some sort of reaction. Everything's going to get activated. I think we're going to get a minimum of 10-20 pips for a breakout trade. From there, I would assume overall we're going to reach this area at the minimum. This seems to be the next high volume trade area. 163824 to 162577. But of course, that's a long way away. So if we're scalpers, what we would usually do is enter your trade here. Let's say your stop loss is there. Take partials along the way, and then keep taking partials, because if your stop loss is small, you don't want to be holding that long without taking anything off the table. And it looks like GJ is literally about to stop blasting through now. Let's see, what's the 15 minutes here? Okay, I'll pull it.
What was it? Enigma? Yeah, by the way, I posted that GBBJPY trade on Instagram, so I'm just gonna flex that real quick.
Was it a video?
No. There's a signal basically on Instagram.
Right. Before you took it, you mean?
Hmm?
You mean like before you took it, you posted it?
Yeah, before I took it, yeah.
Nice. I always check when people start following if they're not bots. Most of them seem to be legit so far.
I mean, we're quite early on, so I don't think.
Yeah, true. We're not gonna get, but I think from what I've seen so far, a lot of them are legit people. There's a couple businesses that are just following everyone.
It's not going backwards.
Spotify.
My mom has two. I got a house with a gate, and my mom has two. I'm the true CEO, and all my companies succeeded. Hustling until there is no introduction needed. Hit the blunt, I'm weeded. Fifth of rum this evening. The jig is up, y'all sitting up. I'm interrupted sleeping. Ain't no money in music, that's what the industry says. Make 20 million independent, dog. The industry's dead. I'm a brand owner, land owner, making money hand over fist. Never hand over this. I've been trying to keep my cool. People keep provoking me. I've been on the move. You cannot get close to me. Doing what I do. Step out and they know it's me. What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Alright, like I was saying earlier, GU has approached the buy area. Like I was saying earlier, we could be looking for some nice scalps from this. Overall, on the higher time frames, I do believe we're going to go lower, just because it's such a crucial level and we grab liquidity from the upside. But for short-term scalps, I think it makes sense to try and look for buys, just to catch a quick, 1 to 2. Since I have small stop losses, it'll make it easy. Plus, we've been pushing down for quite some time now, so I think we're due a retracement. So to sum that up, bish, bash, bosh, bish, that's the trade, basically. Interesting.
Heard your album last night, at best it was alright. Got some hoes coming over, ain't shit, we can play from it. Every other song, you get a Draco and spray something. Raised off Hove and Nas, keep them niggas away from us. Hit the drums on this bitch and think Dr. Dre coming. He not, it's the one man D-Block. And some classic Reeboks off 3 shots, feeling like 3 pops. I fuck more models than Puff off Ciroc than he did. Ask Drake what I did at his crib Labor Day weekend. I've been shot, I've been stabbed, still waving this red flag. The man behind Demi Lovato's success after rehab. Couple lawsuits, the blog say lost what he had. I'm like Louis Vuitton stitching, bitch, I get to the bag. Underdog to the death of me, the chronic seed, the sesame. It sound classic cause I got all Andre Young's recipes. Murdering beats, it's like sexually. Fucking the track, it's like Young Miami laying next to me. Room dark as Kodak Black when I'm on this ecstasy. The ass getting Nipsey slapped if that pussy testing me. So come test me, your body flow upon the river. Nigga, bigger than the lips on 96 jiggers. And don't try to twist my words like rolling herbs. You drove past my truck, we
We've definitely got bullish pressure here. It's already pushed up like 20 pips just after reaching that area.
You're approaching a weekly zone, by the way.
Mm.
So it could see some sort of resistance or form some sort of support around that level.
Yeah, that's what I said before. We've got 2 zones here. It's leaving behind 3 or 4 now, but I'm only trusting this large zone here and the one just above it. Once you start targeting OBs all the way up here, here and here, it's a bit too high up. Like, you can just expect price to retrace a bit more. If it does leave without us, then GU was not the one. GJ doing the same thing, reacting nicely. It could be a good shout to buy up to this sell area, because since I am targeting that eventual push down and breakout, buys up to this area do make sense. But GJ about to tap in. GJ about to tap into the area. Like I said, I'm looking to buy into this. I'm looking to buy into this sell area. This sell area here. Damn, what am I saying? I'm looking to buy into this. To buy from here into this sell area here to target the overall breakout. That's the plan. So a quick scalp. Let's see what happens. I think it's GU at the same time as. They've done this 3 days in a row now, to be fair.
What's it? Oh, right.
Like, just line up. So it's a good sign, I guess. Stop loss. Fingers on the buzzer. Blink and you'll miss it. Literally. 043. Alright, stop loss is 5.9 pips, so TP is 11.8 pips. Which is funny because I think that's exactly the same as yesterday's trade. Okay, once price reaches 164 point... Actually, no, hang on. I need to use trading view. We have now entered. Alright, we're already at break even.
Nice.
TP is 164185. There we go. Trade is at break even. I think that really is the world's fastest break evens. Literally a second. TP about to be hit. Inshallah. What's GU doing? GU also tapped in. Should be looking to buy. Yeah, I'm gonna look at taking a GU as well. As soon as this candle high breaks on GU, I'll enter this as well. Mate, GG has teased me here, hasn't it? But it was one micro pip before it blasted through. Are we about to smash through TP? GU about to get entry on GU too. Here we go, the candle's wicking up. There we go, we've entered on GU. Stop loss is 3.5 pips, so TP is 7. Is it an instant stop out on GU? Damn, okay, GU got tapped out straight away. Interesting. Well, not interesting, but... And GJ break even. Wow. That was an interesting turn of events, wasn't it?
So,
No, it is what it is.
it's a W, still.
No, it's not.
The break even's a W.
Yeah, true. Could have been a better turn of events, but it is what it is. Yeah, GJ, as soon as I entered, pushed up massively. Then it stopped like half a pip below my TP.
2 trades already.
Yeah. Trades already.
Some madness, you know.
Anyway, what's USD ZAR doing? Let's check it out. What is this doing today? Got a liquidity grab over here. So we can expect a push down. That's the plan.
Just making something.
For Insta.
Yeah, before and after.
Nice. You know what I was thinking yesterday? What if, you know when we post a new reel, that's when sometimes they push the old ones too?
Maybe. Just keep going at it, innit?
Yeah, because I noticed when I posted one, all the other ones started getting likes. Not all of them, but like a couple of the old ones started getting likes. I don't know if people clicked on the account or not, because the ones who liked the old ones, they never liked the actual recent one. So I thought, what if they're just pushing the old ones?
Eventually, to be fair, that does make sense.
Yeah. So it's just like rewarding, you know, consistency, or the more you post.
Yeah. Yeah, to be fair, that's a good shout. Figure out what's the best way of doing this, to be honest.
Right, GJ broke my heart today. Look at where it stopped. Look at where it stopped. Half a pip before TP. It's okay.
It's okay. It's
all good.
okay.
It's all good.
It's okay.
It's all good, GJ. Don't worry.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna post that. Fuck
Right,
it.
JJ?
I'm posting a loss today. I'm just,
Hold on.
I'm just gonna show the world how GJ annoyed me. GU I can sort of understand because I took the higher order block. So it sort of makes sense. That's pushed into a deeper part of the bullish leg. So if we do push up now and we end up getting that move, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. GJ, of course, I was expecting TP, since I was expecting a push into this sell area to then line up around London Open and then drop. It's just, I guess it wanted the lower area too.
Bro, graphics design is hard, you know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you show your screen or not? Are you doing it on your
So-
iPad?
No, I can share it. I'm just too embarrassed to show it. Hold
Is
on.
it that bad?
Yeah. Hold on, let me show. I'm gonna lie.
I've always enjoyed doing it online. Like, I think I find it a bit easier than you do.
Anyway. Okay, so this is my first attempt.
Right.
A bit bland, do you know what I mean?
Oh,
My second
okay.
is I'm trying to do something.
I think it's just that you're too zoomed out, bro. All the time.
Well, because I'm targeting 270 pips,
I
lad.
know, but like, maybe like switch the time frame.
Yeah, true.
Just, I think when you zoom in more, it makes it look better.
Something to do with this. You know?
Or like
Like a crack between before and after.
all right. So is this another design for the same thing?
Yeah, I'm trying, but like,
Maybe if the crack was more straight.
no, it's good because it's just random, innit? I don't
True.
know.
What you
But it's
thinking?
really hard to like. If I got this, like, what's that gonna do? What's that divide gonna do, innit? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, how do I make it so it's actually divided? Maybe have a thicker one or something, but
I think if you fill in the gaps with like black circles, you know how you zoom in and everything.
yeah.
You could do that if you really wanted to. Or in this case, white circles. It's just that, like, the reason I say zoom in is because if someone sees it from a distance, they wouldn't. I think they might scroll past.
Deja vu. You just gave me deja vu there.
Huh?
You just gave me deja vu.
Deja
I
vu.
think you've said it before.
Have I?
Hmm. I don't know when you said it, but I saw you said it.
Maybe it was the red and yellow discussion. Remember that?
Maybe. Too bad they don't line up perfectly. It's the other way around. Lol.
Wait, hold up. Is
The
it
other way. It's the same one.
Yeah, I was
Goddamn.
about to say, like, where's the prediction? Oh, the
Where's
lines
the
there. It's just the
prediction?
chart was already done.
Oh, where is the prediction? I know it's there. Oh, there.
Unsent message. What?
So they're the same photo, but they didn't align. That's weird.
One unsent message. Don't it I can shoot you through, but no.
There you go. It's quite annoying. I can't do it. Ugh. I thought I'm not creative type.
Do you want me to do it? I mean, I've already taken my trades. I'm not doing
Give it a go. Give it a good go. I'll send it to you on Discord.
Calm. I'm on G.
I want to think. Hold on. Open that one. Nope. Put a file. That one. That's one. Before and after. Unfortunately, I can't get you a better after. I can get you a better after picture, but I can't get you a better before.
Yeah, that's true.
And yeah, I do zoom out because I like to see. I like to show the structure. So if ever I do need the photo again, I could just go like, see, this is why I took it. So left structure here, right structure here.
The thing is, I'm thinking like structure obviously is important, but you gotta think if it's for Instagram,
Yeah,
you need
people don't
to
really
lure
care
them
about that.
into the structure more. So that's when they click on the Discord and they see, okay, I'm explaining this. Before Instagram, you need something where people is so competitive, that if it's not catching the eye, like you were talking about this the other day. If it doesn't
No,
catch
for
your
sure,
eye,
for sure, yeah, for
out the
sure.
corner of your eye, they don't see something, they're gone, like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, for sure. G is back at 1.14 zone.
Yeah. Let's see if we push straight through. To be fair, I did say we're going to get a small reaction from that area, maybe 10, 20, 30 pips for the scalpers. And then we'll most likely push down.
You might be right.
I just missed out on that, at least for now. I think I missed out on that first move.
We might continue to rally here, though, to be honest.
I was just
I see
thinking,
why the US dollar is getting devalued, but
why?
well, CPI, everything really. There are reasons why G's getting devalued, and it was like just retracing a little bit because there was nothing really to fuel GU over
Yeah.
here. Nothing was really fueling it, so it was just slowly going up and up and up. And then finally it collapsed down because it finally had something to go like, oh, actually, you know what? No, it's overpriced. But is it really worth all-time lows though? I think we've gone through it. I think the US has gone through worse against the pound. So
So what pair is this again? Is it GJ? Yes, GJ. Pictures. Enigma. Mark GJ before.
actually,
Two. Open the casket, get that bastard a church view. You died with your bitch, yeah, that's what we call the bird flu. Your mama crying, thinking about the day you lost your first two. All she need is time. I told her patience is a
Trying to
virtue.
keep my cool. People keep provoking me. I've been on the. Thank God that I never had a
Papa Poo.
have pop a pill. That's just not the real. I do me all. How I got big in Madrid like Rio. Now they scream Russ like I played for the Seahawks. I eat off my
what's 1080 divided by 2? Is it 640?
6 more months. That's like
540.
I'm above the
I think it's 540.
so small I can't fit more friends. And I see your bigger picture, but the pics low.
Is that half? Yeah, that's half.
My command since I leveled up. Rule with an iron hand inside of
There it is.
Are you gonna do it?
No, I'm just doing another one from what you're doing. Are you doing it now, or are you? I'm just.
Yeah, I thought I got some time now.
Oh,
I mean, if you might as well keep doing it then if you think you like your one.
oh yeah, I'm just gonna see what I'm doing, and then I just had a bit of an idea, really.
Calm.
On the bad days it carries me, and on the good days it's beside me. High key the best out, y'all gotta respect the name. Not surprised you all sound the same. Cause y'all dress the same. Like LMA, I'm in the ghost, so now I'm booed up.
Let me check the stream. Is not lagging.
Primo made me feel reborn. I used to light myself on fire just to keep you warm. And regardless if my ego feels completely torn, I'm ghost if it don't move my spirit like a Ouija board. I see rewards come after battles with fear. They tried to fuck up how I see myself, they rattled my mirror. They rushed in Vladimir, put in nothing but trauma. You can't tell me shit that been in 2 houses, and that's just for my mama. And she don't gotta ever work again, whole family won. The only L I ever took is when Snoop handed me one. That was my first producer placement too. Shout out Snoop on the album called I Wanted They Me. Ain't that the truth? Fuck the rules of the industry, I'm piling out. I turn every single dead into a roundabout. Found a route, bumping Cuddy, thought that I was down out. Free myself, now I'm up in the wave. Without a doubt.
Yeah, lagging bare.
Is it?
Spotify does not work. Spotify innit? Maybe you have the Discord logo there too.
Yeah, I've got it on.
Nice.
I don't know if you're watching it, but
Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
what do you think of it so far?
I'm saying it looks good. You just need to make it clear that it was called in the group first.
No. Oh, it was called on Instagram.
Oh right.
Yeah. I need to really show before and after. Who's dumb enough not to realize it's a before and after picture?
Nah, I think it's good to have it. Like I said, they're gonna skip straight past.
I don't deal with dumbasses.
Well, looks like you found a way to do it yourself.
I just had an idea. I was like, yo, that might work.
What if you had GBB JPY and like, oh no, that's the main color, isn't it? What if you had the GJ, black background, gold writing?
Yeah, do that.
See if it looks
GJ
cool.
or GBBJPY.
Oh yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, that stands out a bit better.
Should I do that here as well? You think?
Nah, I think if you have one of them, it's better. Maybe have. What about the outline? You know the outline frame.
Yeah, like frame. Oh, black. Make it black.
Yeah, just that. The middle is. I don't know if you can do that. The middle
Yeah,
stays
I can.
gold.
I'll be able to do it.
Yeah, and then keep that gold.
All the way through, you think, the dividing, or just
Yeah, all that dividing stuff. Obviously, not that. Obviously, so it doesn't go through the middle. Though. That looks sick.
you think I should put this like there?
You tell me which one looks better.
I don't know. Let's find out. Nah,
That looks alright.
we'll go like this.
I can't tell. You tell me which one looks better.
I think it's such a minor detail that it won't matter too much.
It's the little things, man.
True. I like putting angles on mine, but like, yeah. You've seen some of the things I've done. I love putting angles and different shapes on it, but I've got no.
Angles, you mean like tilting the thing?
Yeah,
Right.
but got no inspiration. I always wanted to do something like this, though. Actually,
Ooh.
have a watermark, but
Maybe.
basic because
maybe
it's
have-
so centered.
Yeah.
No,
Or have like one on each one, like in the middle.
what do you mean?
That could work out. As in like two, and then one on the before, one on the after.
Oh, right.
But just so barely visible. No,
One
like,
there and the
like in the
other.
center, in the center,
Oh, one here.
in the middle.
Oh, here.
No, in the middle of the before.
Oh, there. Oh, right.
Maybe looks good.
I'll make it bigger. Empty space after all. It won't. That size won't work on this one though. Actually.
I reckon it's alright. It's really more for the graphics, isn't it? It's not for an actual watermark. Like someone's gonna steal it.
Yeah.
I think that's alright.
Might steal it, to be honest. It's such a good. It is a good trade, to be honest.
Yeah, the trade's the main part.
Yeah, simple.
Yeah, I think leave it at that.
That works. Oh, there's a little black line there. Well, I think I've got an idea. I'm not sure if I'm just adding complications to this now, but
Maybe.
and white in the bottom as well, or I might make it both black. Because I think the white looks a bit out of place, but we'll see. Go away. Go away. Well, it just adds depth to it, I feel like.
Yeah. Make it a bit 3D.
Yeah, I think it gives it a good 3D effect.
Yeah, man, looks good. Better than that cracked line thing
Allow it.
that was about to happen.
Allow it, allow it, allow it.
What cable? I'll be back. Your screen is being shared.
Okay, this guys gave this trade to you guys for free. Join Discord for more. Is that, or is it like that? That's more. Crazy there. No, I'll give it more description. Give this 250 pips plus trade. More ideas. So join our for more trade ideas and trade breakdowns. Join our Discord server. And boom, that one's sure. Oh, no. Nice. What do you think? Overall, decent. Decent. Oh, he said be right back. Sound. So 50 pips plus trade to you guys are free for more trade ideas and trade breakdowns. Join our community. Come on, easy W there. He probably got his tea now.
Nah, bro. I'm a tea already.
Oh, you had your tea, mad. You
Not
had
even
your tea on
my
lock.
green tea.
Jeez. Oh, here we go. Lowers are being taken, lads. There you go. Not financial advice, but if you want to take these trades to the downside, what do you
This on
recommend?
GU
Yeah,
or GA.
GA.
Interesting.
Look at all this room to the downside on the left here. 87 pips to the downside here. Put your stop loss up this candle high over here. Structure's created here. You should see a bit of movement before it tries to retrace up to this level. Although I do want it to take some of this highs right here. There's like liquidity. Oh, it's already taken liquidity. Nice. Okay. There you go. Not financial advice, but if you want to take these trades to the downside, what do you
This on
recommend?
GU
Yeah,
or GA.
GA.
Interesting.
Look at all this room to the downside on the left here. Okay, so the hour already closed here. 30-minute, you can see that we retraced up. Retested and continued back down. I mean, we might be clean to go continue down, you know. We still have this structure on the 30-minute that we really need to worry about that we haven't broke yet, so we'll break that one and then we'll put scalp down.
So they're all doing the same thing, yeah? GJ, GU, GA. Ready to break lows. They are prepping.
Can't lie, I don't really like taking breakouts, so I'm not going to take it. But it's not a
Mm.
bad trade idea at all. You can see with my GJ trade, I take reversals. I mean, that's kind of like a breakout, but it's reversals. It's not. See, look, I was at the top over here, look. See? I didn't take this, but I did take that. Whereas GA, I mean, I would have taken this or this, not this. It's too low.
Oy.
How much? What is the percentage gain? Doing something like this. 1.85 all the way to 4% at most. For a 343 pip move, 4%. That's a swing and a half, that. What's this?
You gonna enter on GA?
No, I'm looking for what the swap is for GA first before I enter, because details. Swap short is minus $2.11 per day per lot. That's quite a lot.
Could
Going
be
long though
worse
is
than
even
it. I thought it was gonna. I think you were gonna say a lot higher.
going long is $5 per day.
Wow.
A lot.
So is that commission as well?
On top of commissions,
Yeah.
on top of spreads, yeah. A bit much in it, a bit much, lad.
Could be a lot worse because you're targeting so many pips, aren't you? Like,
Yeah. I'll wait for the 4-hour close
mm.
in 2 hours. The 4-hour closes quite well. I mean,
Yeah.
I'll take the sales. If it continues the momentum, I'll continue the sales. But if it doesn't, then, I mean, at this point, what it's just done is create support equal lows over here. So what we could basically do is move this structure down. And now this is the buy side liquidity rather than, as this is sell side liquidity rather than being it here.
Right.
That's all that is. So I'd rather completely tear through that level. obviously here, if I was able to take these sales right here, I mean, like, I'd be at break even by now, so it won't even matter. Whatever the hell happens,
Yeah, hindsight.
it would,
Innit?
yeah, would have also been like play 5%. So is what it is. Yeah, I know hindsight. Me would probably be saying, why don't you just make this the structure level on the 4-hour and on the hour? I mean, yeah, we had buy side, sell side over here, but we also had buy side over here and sell side, which absolutely got clapped at. So, you know, we pick and choose our battles.
True. Also, why don't you see what the chat's saying? Does
Which
GA have a big chat? Do you reckon? I saw the GU one.
I don't think they would have a big chat.
I doubt many.
Oh, GPAUD chat. Here we go.
Doesn't say how many, does it?
Look at this guy's chart. He is wanting this to push up
Damn.
because a 61.8 retracement, heavy support zone. This.
Oh, it's a head and shoulders.
Reverse head and shoulders wise. I don't think that's what he's going for. Oh, it is. Neckline. Oh, mad.
Yeah, and he's got the MACD.
He looks professional, so he must be right.
Damn, he got followers as well.
So you look, reputation is there. He uses volume profile too. You can't, bro. This guy's legit for sure.
Yeah, it has to be.
And look at all these patterns, mate. The butterfly. I don't know what that's called.
That's interesting. He's
Short term,
combined loads of
15-minute
different
time
stuff.
frame. He does.
If he's still posting, they must be going well.
Yeah.
Pegman's a win.
76% cryptocurrency, 11%. You should put your win rate on this, you know. Then
Yeah.
and no one will be posting. If you put your win rate on this, no one's posting. Bet. I bet. What's this one? This guy put shorts and now he's showing it because he's like, well, no one can jinx me now, so this guy too.
Oh, it's the same guy.
Oh yeah, true. He just finished his trade.
Oh,
Maybe he
wait.
did take his trade. Oh wow,
That's
maybe he did
weird.
enter his trade. No, he didn't. He didn't. He entered it at break even. He ended it as soon as he hit break even. I'm guessing. Wow, he's got loads of trades. What's this one?
He smashed that one.
Bearish volume, bearish volume, bearish volume. Bit of bullish, bit of bullish. Oh, finally a bit of bullish. Maybe he's looking for a reversal now.
I've
Maybe
never
he
seen
might
that one
target
before.
61.8. No, neither. It's a bit wood. I go to the markets, please. Why can't I go to the bloody markets? Alright, what's going on then? I reckon we fake out, take these buy side liquidities for this like impulsive sellers over here, and potentially continue back down. I mean, if I was Swaggy C, where would I enter? Bang! There it is.
So I can see.
That's where it is, bro. That's where I'll enter from.
Is that his like golden zone? 61.
That's everyone's golden zone, really.
Yeah, true.
People don't really enter 50% anymore. I wouldn't recommend entering 50%. It rarely works. 61 is the one that you really use. With deeper retracement, if you missed a trade and you missed a trade, it's too bad. But it's a better entry. You know, your stop loss would be smaller. Just beneficial. Obviously, if you say 50%, you can move your stop loss above there. But, nah, all good. The problem with Fibonacci, though, until it reaches the top here, everything is still valid. So that's still valid. So your stop loss is here, for example, above this level. it's still a valid trade to go down. So you realistically really have to put your trade up here. That's
Yeah,
my
just to be safe.
qualms with him.
Got
It's
bare
GJ on
live
the right.
streams right now, you know.
Is there?
I say that there's like 5. Says
Okay, right here.
Champion Pips 163 Dr. Dollar.
Oh,
Ooh,
that's a good
let me
name.
see this. 401 watching.
Tickmill, shaping the future of trading
Dr.
What do they have
Dollar.
against?
with
what do they
exceptional
have?
trading
Yeah.
conditions and customer
I'm about to find out.
Now we got a closure below, right here, indicating that, okay, now there's more sellers in the
Wait, hold
market.
up, hold up, hold up.
I came out here, rejected a little bit, came up, faked out buyers, whoever thought that this shit was gonna fly, faked them out last time. And then now it's coming here and breaking and retesting. So, bro, if I get clapped,
Oh,
I
they're
did
selling
follow my
GJ.
rule. No, but I think
Imagine
there is
so.
more
I mean, they'd
possibilities
be
for
dumb not
this
to.
to sell
Alright.
off. I did want to
Has
get
it
in
broken out
a
yet?
little
I
earlier.
don't even.
Yeah. I think so. It looks like it has. Bro, if they play this right, they could easily get like 133 pips here for the session.
Yeah.
If they play this right. Or if GJ gives them the right move, easily 133 pip drop here. What's really stopping this GJ from dropping? all
I
the
think
way
it's a
down
bit
to-
early. I would say 16364. Just to be extra safe, but who knows? They must have some sort of.
Overall, my take profit for like the month, or like, you know, my intra month target basically is 159,448 or 159,500.
And
We're
keep
just about
stops.
halfway through it.
Mm.
I got the first bit right. Look, bang, and now for the on to the next. So if you look at if we delete everything, actually, I need to
EJ
do a
might
run
have done the fake
a
out
breakdown
for
video of
still
this.
come back up.
It can, bro. See, I hate how we're just stuck here right now, though. Scary.
I mean, we went, broke the lows, then came up lower
So instead of
low,
playing well,
lower
should we play a
high,
real game?
higher low, and then we just made a higher high. So I mean, it's kind of like in a weird stage right now.
Here we go, real game.
Yeah, it is.
These guys are some next.
I would
Music
want to
on.
see this close below over here, though.
400 more
below over
watchers, a
here.
decent amount.
I like it, but I wouldn't want to see this rejection.
But in terms
I'm
of the
taking
layout of
guys
the
and sellers
stream,
get
it's
faked
not
out.
all that.
Good strap, boy. Good strap.
Not really what they're bothered about.
Take them now.
True, but I'm
That's
just.
true.
I think it's important.
The
No, I
layout.
think Dollar
Yeah, like
just
the
called us
camera,
too.
Oh, look, Dollar just
the
cost
one, the
us.
borders is messed up. It's not even lining up.
Oh, gang, I mean,
Okay,
Clearly,
man,
you
this
just don't care about that. Clearly, they just care about.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I mean, we just need to
Why didn't you
show
wait for retracement?
results. So
Yeah.
that's basically it.
Bro, cause
At the end of the day, if we're
honestly,
getting
I like-
results, if we're not getting any viewers, who cares? We're getting results.
Yeah, 100%. That's true.
If we are getting viewers, we're getting results.
We're getting paid anyway if we get
Exactly.
That's true. Oh, they even had Daniel Savage on one.
Really? No wonder they grew for a bit there. You hear my Apex?
Yeah, I can see it as well.
Let's see if my frames drop. I shouldn't. It shouldn't, to be honest. You see, everything should be on. Everything should be on max settings here.
Newcastle. Why is this map called Newcastle?
Is it? No, it's not.
Why did it say Newcastle at the bottom?
I don't know. It might be Newcastle.
No sacrifices on my watch.
Oh, hold on. Let me just turn my.
Follow me if you want to win.
Hello, anyone got a
That's
mic?
real life.
Yo.
Yeah, I can hear you. Are you trying to speak
No,
to
not
them?
you. I'm talking to the lobby.
Oh, they're speaking.
No one's speaking to me, bro. Very sad.
This is your
I'll
champion.
go to my. You can see my movement isn't the best in this game right
Stay
now,
close.
and I don't know how laggy it's gonna be for you guys, but for me it's quite smooth. It is screen share though. I mean, like it's a bit bit much for screen share.
So it's not lagging for you.
Oh, mine's
Dropping in.
clean, bro.
Hang on.
Why is it lagging for you, man?
No, oh, it is lag, but not that bad.
Going to explore.
Oh,
over there.
your laptop can't handle Apex graphics on high.
No, it's your internet. That ain't mine.
I mean, it ain't yours. It ain't.
It's your Zoom share.
Alright.
Apparently,
Just, you know what?
but I think what they tried to do is they got in early. So it makes sense, because down here will be a bit more dangerous, especially if it keeps dropping. Up here, if they're catching us
If that's
out,
the
it makes
case,
more
it's-
sense.
It sounds like they preemptively sold the market, which is not a good idea in my opinion. From my experience, I've never.
Not
I
preempted,
regret.
they got some confirmation. The price broke bearish structure.
Yeah.
We're approaching the low volume area, which makes sense. So they could be right.
It's been good this way.
Level 3. Extra supplies over here. Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Okay.
Let's explore this way.
Stay
3v1,
We're
yeah?
all inside this ring.
Lol. My teammate just left me, the dickhead. Is he still here? Yo.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. I don't know if it disconnected or not yet, but
No, it's okay.
where are we going?
Heads up. New kill leader.
Yeah, this is quality gaming right here. I must add.
Mark has not died yet. Yeah.
You, bro.
What? Said you're not dead yet.
Gotta hop
Is that
up here.
how low
Skull
the
keeps-
Oh, you did say you're on PC.
yeah, I suck at PC, I can't lie. So yeah, alright.
What? Are you gonna win? Are you calling it?
Nah, PC players are sweats, bro. They are sweats. I can't like sprint jump properly for some reason. It's really weird. There we go, got it. What do I need? I mean, to be fair, I'm getting a little bit used to it though, so just need
Come and get your birthday present.
Come on and get your birthday present.
to play Apex again, mate.
Oh, GS started to push down.
Might. GA's probably gonna do it as well. If I'm not getting a trade perception. Or like.
GA is staying there.
GA's staying.
Created a little support. GA
Look
is
at
on
it.
its way.
What, it made a double, like, basically,
Triple
equal.
bottom on the
equal lows.
15. Yeah, that's it.
That's nice, nice. Love that for us.
She just broken the low. What's gonna happen now? I think if you took the sells on this low, you're betting on the fact that it's Friday. And Friday usually has some crazy momentum.
Really? really. I find it the opposite.
No, Fridays are unpredictable, I'd say.
Yeah.
And since we were close to that support, they're just betting on the fact that once we reach that, it's going to keep pushing down, and we're not going to give anyone their retracement for the cells.
Here. Close range.
Let's go. Dibs.
That's my aim down. $53 damage already. Am I a legend? Yes. Yes, I am.
Evo shield here.
Tell you what, movement in this game
I could use that.
is a lot harder than movement in console.
Optics here. Mid-range.
It almost feels
Dibs.
like a different game almost. It's that different.
Why is the movement harder?
Contact with target. The champion mid. Let's go this way.
No, it just feels different to me.
Oh.
It's a weird one, isn't it? Do I have a... Yeah, I do.
Opening the hold. Watch it.
So I'm used to console, that's why.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Pyramid here. Level 3.
Eyes on your map.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Hello.
Replicator coming down.
Might be something good this way.
I am.
Spying here.
Definitely not top quality gaming, that's for sure.
What your teammates saying? They're holding out.
But no, bro. I haven't got into a fight yet.
Still.
Yeah, here we go, I'm about to now.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
Oh, jinxed it there.
That's fine, I wanted to fight.
Enemy spotted.
Oh no.
Civilian and airstrike.
Frag out. Recharging my shields.
Oh, a few damage though, you know. Thank you. 1, 2, a few damage.
Only half the squad left.
Jeez, GJ is dropping like crazy.
Like my teammates.
Shooting through my grenade.
Bro, they ran out and they're still trying to kill him. What the hell are you doing?
Let's explore this way.
How much is it dropping by?
Let's go this way.
Extended hidden mag.
Cleared that low by about 10 pips. I don't know. I just feel like we're gonna get a retracement now, but
I've been down. Heads up. Check out this wing. Open explosive hole here.
Listen up, I'm getting shot
Portal
at.
here. Brothers, let's
well, like I
this way.
said, it's Friday.
Just using my shields to recharge.
Gotta heal. Taking a knee.
We're all inside.
Attention.
Good.
There is a new
Throwing out a respawn beacon for us.
New kill leader. Go on, watch out.
My teammates are scared.
Healing up. Give me a second.
I'm scared.
I've been down.
Oh god.
Dome shield up.
Died.
I got you, brother. Don't worry, you're gonna be okay.
Taking fire.
Punching a tunnel.
Gotta heal. Taking a knee.
Just giving my shield.
Portal placed. Recharging my shields.
Healing up. Give me a second.
Patching myself up.
Give me my shield to recharge.
Say what? We're all inside this thing.
Recharging shields. Shield up.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Recharging shields. Taking fire, brothers. Reloading.
Oh, wow.
What happened to Apex?
I was just no, I just died. I died.
Oh.
So with
What
GJ
happened?
explanations, what I would probably say is, so here we go. We took buy side liquidity from up here. You can see that we were making equal highs over here in the 15-minute time frame. We tapped into that zone. Generating liquidity, and then he finally started to collapse back down. And as you can see, take profit for me was taken. So that's for me. I'm done with this trade. GJ, whether it goes down from here, so be it. I don't care. I already caught 250 pips. I don't need to be greedy and trying to catch more. But still, so yeah, that's what I think happened for GJ. As for GJ, not GA. I'm confused now. GPAUD here. So it's created triple bottom over here, so equal lows here. So now we could potentially look to tap into that equal lows, push up, and then tap these equal highs. I don't know though. We'll see. Overall, I'm looking to sell GA just like GJ. But obviously, I need an actual good setup for it, because if I just took these sells over here and took an impulsive sell, obviously I'd still be in profit right now, but this wouldn't be a good sign for me as it rejected the level on the left here. So yeah, it wouldn't be a good sign for me, and I'd probably be scared to keep holding it. But if I go from all the way up here, at least I know that the market's kind of already exhausted itself to go all the way up here, and it might start going to its actual direction, which is on the downside down here. So that's what I'm looking for. Pretty good. Were you just showing my Apex gameplay or something?
I was for a bit, then I went off. So when I came back, you're dead. I was like, what's going on?
Yeah, I died. I can play Fall Guys, Apex, Valorant. Those are the 3 games I got at the moment.
I think the way to catch this GJ sell would be, I think it would be making sure you knew when the liquidity grab had actually taken place before taking that sell. I'm trying to think, in this session, how could you have caught that sell? The way I would have done it is, in hindsight, if I whip out the volume profile, there was order blocks here, people were trying to sell. We pushed straight past it. Then we pushed into a high volume area. If I get rid of all this other stuff. Actually, Yeah, we pushed past this area, triggering smart money, and then also taking them out at the same time. And then we tap into this high volume area here before pushing down, breaking structure, then pushing up again, and pushing back down again. So once we saw this candle here push up and failed to push higher past that initial rejection, then we broke the low. That could have been a good place in my opinion, simply because we had that initial liquidity grab, then we had a rejection of a high volume area. That could be the sellers defending their positions. So once we push down, obviously approaching London Open, we're just wondering what's the most likely move here. On the higher time frames, price is looking for a retracement anyway. Coming to Friday, coming to the end of the week. Let's see, what did the weekly candle look like?
Bearish last week, isn't it?
Yeah, the weekly candle had flipped bearish. I don't know what day on. I can check, but maybe it was yesterday or Wednesday. It flipped bearish. So what were the chances we were going to end strongly bearish? Decently high, since it's Friday. So then we broke that candle low. If you enter there, stop loss above the high, you know, just then you could be risk free literally within half an hour.
The opposite with GU though, it actually never generated liquidity over here, well on the 15-minute anyways. So we could expect one more push up for GU before pushing back down. So kind of what happened here on GJ, you know, we consolidated and then we pushed up, huge spike up, equal highs, and then pushed down. That's what could happen in GU, but it hasn't quite happened yet. So you can see that. Well, first of all, equal highs are up here, so that's buy side liquidity up here. Where is it? Buy side liquidity, and as for sell side, we have this.
Yeah.
So the overall direction of the market is bearish. So look, overall, we're looking for sells here. But in order to really continue selling, we need to generate liquidity. And we need to get people to buy, right? In order to sell something, someone needs to be selling something. In order to sell something, someone has to be buying. So in order to enter those buy stops, what do we need to, in order to get people to buy in the market, what do we need to do? We need to get them to trigger up here their buy stops. And currently where the buy stops are, and where they are placed, is where these equal highs are. Because people's mindset is obviously breakout trades, right? Breakout trades, right? Like that. That's what they're looking for normally. So if we can fake them out and trigger their buy stops, then only then we can actually start properly selling off the market. And that's what we could happen here. That's exactly what happened on GJ, and we could get like that. That's what we could. Our case study could potentially be for pound USD. Kind of mirror it, but obviously, you know, a little bit later.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting.
That NV video was interesting, the most recent one. I was watching it.
Yeah, it's sick, wasn't it?
It was good, and I was just curious though, like, what did he mean when he says the buyers are defending their positions? I was like, what do you mean? Because he was saying it was starting to push up, and we had all these orders stacking up, all these bids stacking up, 100, 200, 300, and he was saying the buyers are eager to get their positions, or eager to...
It failed, I think.
Yeah, he was saying they're eager to get in on this position. So I wrote a comment, I was saying, when you say they're eager to get their position filled, or they're desperate, do you mean they want sellers to match their volume? Like, what do you mean, like, they're desperate to get
I
their
think
orders
it's because they have so much volume, they have so much money, they can't fill all their positions all at once, so they just keep stacking it on, stacking it and stacking it. I think that's what he meant by it.
But that's what I'm saying, like, if their first orders aren't getting filled, what does he mean by stacking it? Like, are they entering at higher prices just to get in?
Well, yeah, as soon as someone sells, their order will get filled, doesn't it?
That must be what they're doing. I wrote a comment. Hopefully he gets back.
Yeah, hopefully he gets back. He'll probably just tell you to go to his course or something.
Nah, he normally answers it. He normally answers. I was reading through. He normally answers it. I got one reply. It was a fake version of him.
Really?
It was a number in the YouTube.
A WhatsApp
name.
thing.
Yeah. Literally.
Nah, I think. Yeah, I think that's what he meant by it. That's what I took out of it, anyways. The fact that people want to get, triggered in.
Yeah, that's the rough idea. I just wanted to make sure though, like, I knew what's going on. It looks sick though, how he's doing.
Yes.
When I first looked at the whole footprint stuff, I thought it looks a bit boring. I couldn't really have that on stream. But I think if you combine it with the candles like he does, but just have the candles take up more of the screen,
Yeah.
then it could be good.
Another guy that I'd like to meet, you know, is NV. I want to see what he
Yeah.
actually is like.
Say to him, listen, bro, for a week, teach me this. We'll link up, do this, do that.
His time's probably so valuable, though, to be fair.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know. I don't think he's not flashing around, though. I think he's not flashing anything around. Like, he's quite, I would say, one of the humble traders that's actually on YouTube.
Yeah, has a nice house.
Nice house, yeah. But he only just started selling courses from what I can see, so I don't think he got that house from courses. Normally what happened is people start selling courses and, oh my god, you moved out into a nice house? Why did that happen? What a coincidence. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
and then
legit.
yeah, boom. They have like a starter pack of like, I don't know, like nice clothes and a nice car. Sell courses and then like, oh wow, your life really has improved from when you started selling courses. How did that happen? It's yeah, it's incredible scenes. Fall Guys is a fun one.
Let's see. Is anyone doing live footprint trading? Order flow trading. Nope, last one was 2 years ago. When these guys, I don't know why they title it live trading. It's like, we don't know if you're faking it.
What?
But these guys say live trading, but it's a video that they uploaded.
Yeah. Well, that's what like NV says, I guess. He goes like it's live trading, but
yeah, it's not the same. You can't really say it's live.
I mean, it's live market executions, to be fair.
Yeah, which that's harder to fake. When he shows his account, I guess it's a lot harder to fake.
Why is my mouse on there? There we go.
Hacker music.
Where is that? Very good, straight. Controlling recoil is so much easier on PC. I don't know if it's a high recoil gun or a low recoil gun. Did it make bullet marks? No. Oh, it did, yeah. Let's try that.